So, onion update number 7552. Look at this. It's not perfect, unfortunately. It's amazing where the hell bits of dirt and dust and things come from. But it's in colour and it looks absolutely mint. I did have a quite a major stuff up on my front fenders on top, which is very downheartening. I can see a bit there, that bloody plastic there, the wild violet dried on it. So of course when I go to start spraying the clear, bits of it flew up off the plastic and landed right in the paint. It's annoyed me, but the tops of these guards are something we can redo if we really want to. It does annoy me that it doesn't look that nice. But I think I've got good coverage on it all. The wild violet and the black and the flutes, they look absolutely mint. This is going to look absolutely mint when the bonnet is on and follows suit with the stripe. Dash is all painted. Yep. Pretty happy. Just unfortunately there is dirt in it. We are in an open shed kind of. I've done my best. Hopefully some of it might just be able to buff out on the clear anyway. But yeah, you know, she's nice and glossy. Hello! As you can see. Firing up my diesel heater now. Get some heat into this and really bake it on. Yep. Sorry for the long video, but I kind of just want to keep walking around it and looking. Because it just looks absolutely awesome. But still got all the doors to do. I've got to do a lot of repairs on the doors and then give them the same treatment. Yeah. This has been a long time coming.